Hi, my name is Steve Staniford, and I'm Dean of the Lacy School of Business. We're here today to share with you a little bit about some of the progress of the new Lacy School of Business building. One of the things we're trying to create is a space where you can't tell where the business community stops and the School of Business begins. It's really core to our intently experiential approach. If you look through the lobby, what you won't see is traditional classrooms. Instead, there's a lot of opportunities to create interaction between the business community and our students. In order to bring our design principle to life, we had to find an architectural firm that could take our concept and turn it into reality. And we're very fortunate to have been able to work with a company called CSO to make that happen.
I'm Jeff Olson with CSO Architects, Associate Principal and Project Manager for the Butler Lacy School of Business. The entire building was designed to promote and encourage collaboration and interaction. The first level of the atrium contains the strategy rooms, classrooms, the centers, and areas in which are more the public spaces of the project. As we go up in the building, there are more destination areas with the formal classrooms and offices. The stairs, the circulation, and the whole entry of the building on the first floor promote this collaboration and flexibility. We're very excited about the project and partnering with Butler to create an improved learning environment.
Thank you for joining us for this brief video. We look forward to sharing with you more about additional spaces in the near future.